Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP, and today I just want to talk quickly on a vehicle here with an engine noise and diagnosing that particular engine noise. The case in question here is a 2010 Volvo C70, and it's presented with an engine noise, a real sort of humming sort of noise from the engine. It had been to another workshop and had a bunch of stuff replaced in regards to the overrun pulley on the alternator, some tensioners, belt, some other idler pulleys, etc., thinking that's where that noise was coming from. In the end, when we first listened to it, we had already an indication we thought it might have been a vacuum type of noise. And again, looking at live data. So we've scanned the car when it first came in. Interestingly enough, 59 fault codes throughout all the different modules on the car. So lots of issues there, but that's why it's important to scan a car when it first comes into the workshop. But one of the key engine fault codes we had, which gave us an indication, was the long-term fuel trim at idling on bank 1 had reached its upper limit. So it's saying there at idling that with fuel trim had reached its upper limit. So when the vacuum is at its highest, i.e. idle, we had this air intake that wasn't being measured, hence it had to keep, it was running lean, so it had to keep on enriching it up. So that was an indicator straight away. We've definitely had a vacuum leak of some sort or unmeasured air going into the car. So the PCV system on this vehicle, that's where the problem is. We had a PCV valve issue. It's part of the oil filter. So this is the actual PCV housing unit together with the cartridge oil filter which bolts onto the side of the block. So a bit of a job to get it out, but basically that is the unit. When we rung Volvo, interestingly enough, they had 3 or 4 of them in stock. So obviously a common issue. But again, this is where the trick is to use your data, use your fault codes, use the information you can access via your scan tool to validate or confirm where a problem might be. So just remember, scan the car when it first comes in to make sure that you've got all the information so you know what other codes are in the car, full system scan, but also have a good look at the information and fault codes that are there to try and relate it to a problem that you might be looking at the car. So in the end, not a big drama with this particular car, that new unit in, and now we've got a nice quiet engine again. So, and again, we clear all those fault codes, take it for a run, maybe have a look at your fuel trims, short and long-term fuel trims, just to make sure that that vacuum leak's now all completely fixed and it's not going up into that positive high trims. See you next time.